Bring it back.
Welcome back to WPNN. My name is Natasha.
And my name is Lily.
Attention! Are you anyone you know interested in joining Heritage School's band or even joining a band camp to get a feel for things? Well, this is an announcement for you.
Whether you are interested in doing percussion, dance, winds, flags, or even be a pianist, we got you covered. For everyone who joins, Heritage has a rookie camp as well as regular band camp.
If you're someone you know is interested, we have dates listed on the screen now. If you'd like to join, scan the QR code as well.
You remember what we said about a pianist as well? Heritage is also looking for someone who plays piano. All levels of skill are welcome and appreciated.
Students, do you play pickleball or host a club? Do you play pickleball or host a club? And tennis program will be hosting a pickleball tournament. Fundraisers here on Saturday, May 17th.
This will be a fantastic event for any student to be part of volunteering at this event. This event will help to raise money for several clubs and programs.
We hope to see some of our Heritage Panthers participating. Registration for this event is due May 10th, 2025, so that we can make brackets to keep the day moving.
The attached flyer has a QR code for registration. Please email Coach Shelley or Coach Reelbridge for more information.
Panthers! Student government elections will be coming up this month. Students interested in running for class president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, or historian will need to attend an informational meeting. Today, May 9th in the course room at 2:30 p.m.
If you have any questions about student government, see Ms. Rock in room 121.
Panthers, yearbooks will be distributed next Wednesday, May 14th during all lunches. If you have not purchased a yearbook and would like to do so, please see Ms. Lloyd.
We have our final music concerts of the year tonight and next week. Come out and support our jazz band tonight and chorus next Tuesday, May 13th. These talented students always put on a great show.
In senior news, next week, Senior will be celebrating Senior Spirit Week. All clothing choice must be school appropriate. Here are the daily themes.
Monday is 2000s Day, dress in your best 2000s attire. Tuesday is Seniors Day, dress like a senior citizen. The older, the better.
Wednesday is Meme Day, dress up as your favorite meme. Thursday is Seniority Day, wear your PJs to school and bring a blanket and a stuffed animal. And Friday is Senior Class Day, wear your senior crowns and jeans and any other senior attire.
Seniors, have you heard of Grad Walk? It is time for you as seniors to revisit the school of your academic past and reminisce about the days that you got to your senior year.
Our Grad Walk will take place on Friday, May 16th. 100 participating seniors will walk the halls of our feeder schools for Grad Walk.
It is pre-planned that seniors will be going to Christa McAuliffe, Discovery, Jupiter, Turner, and Southwest. The buses will leave at 9:30 a.m. and return at 12:30 p.m. You must be grad ready, meaning you have your credits, exams completed, and have your cap and gown.
Woo! The first 100 grad ready seniors will complete this Google form in the class of 2025. Google Classroom will be allowed to attend. The deadline to complete this form is Wednesday, May 14th, 2025.
For any seniors going to college or trade school, fill out the FAFSA for free money. To start this process, both the student and the parent must create their own FSA ID, and it must be before you can start the FAFSA application.
For anyone who needs help with this process, here are some websites that can help.
Speaking of applications, for any of you who have not yet completed your Bright Futures application, visit this website above.
And you seniors looking for more scholarships, check out the 2024 to 2025 scholarship link on Heritage Guidance page website, or you can even use the scholarship search engine as well.
That's all the news for this week, Panthers. Thank you for watching, and remember, Panthers are
respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!
Handshake. It is pre-planned that seniors will be going to Christopher McAuliffe, Discovery, Jupiter, Turner, Timer, Timmy Turner, and Southwest. The buses will leave at 9:30 a.m. Christopher McAuliffe.
Even reminds Christopher McAuliffe.
We can go
The veteran.
We could go to like the senior week part, right? Feeder thing?
We
The
drink.
feeder? Reminisce
I
is a
haven't-
feeder thing, right?
I was testing this one today too.
I think it's no, not after that. No, I'm not seeing it.
Should we make a right in the center?
Wait, we're.
This should have been our Valentine's thing.
Wait, you guys make a. Are we doing this one?
I think we got it.
How do we?
You guys suck.
Chocolate and
Like this.
banana swim.
Oh, I did. Riley.